Welcome to KetoMealsAndRecipes.com. Today I'm going to show you how I make my son's favorite ice cream flavor, green apple ice cream. Or in my version, it's actually more of a delicious apple ice cream because it's not quite as sour as green apple. This recipe is also keto, no sugar added, and gluten-free. Several years ago, before the vid, we as a family had a month-long vacation to beautiful Croatia. Almost as soon as we arrived, my children had to taste test the numerous amazing ice cream flavors that were being offered everywhere. When they discovered the green apple flavor, that was it. It became a favorite. And one of my sons in particular had to have it every time we went to a new location. And sometimes, if he had the opportunity, he would have it a couple or even 3 times a day. He loved it that much. So I've been experimenting with this recipe, especially for him. As I mentioned, although this ice cream has a very noticeable, really amazing apple taste, it's not quite as sour as the sour apple ice cream we had in Croatia, but I'm still working on it. To make this ice cream have a really good and authentic apple flavor, you will need these 2 products. The link for both of them and any other video that I mention will be posted in the description below. So please check out the information in the description box. As for the consistency, this ice cream has a velvety texture that is really satisfying and rich tasting, just like a Haagen Dazs style ice cream. And you'll be amazed at how small of a serving you need to be totally satisfied. I know that there's many different ways of making keto ice cream, but for best results, I recommend that you make it exactly like this with a custard base. And then if you have, use your ice cream maker. I'm going to use my Breville ice cream maker, which has its own compressor because I don't have room in my freezer. But here are other brands that I have found that are highly rated and make very good quality small crystal ice cream. And they're also quite inexpensive. However, if you don't have an ice cream maker and would still like to make a custard-based ice cream, please watch my strawberry ice cream video because in that video I have taken the time to provide a lot of detail and show you step by step how to make a no machine version of a custard-based ice cream that is quite velvety and smooth. And for all of us ice cream lovers who love homemade ice cream and would like more machine or no machine versions of ice cream, please check out my end links, which I have specially selected. And if you watch the Keto Ice Cream playlist, you'll have a lot of different choices to choose from for this summer or anytime. I really appreciate everyone who takes the time to click on my channel. And if you want to support my work, I ask that you please watch the entire video. Check to see if you're still subscribed and that your notification bell is on. And a lot of people are noticing that they're being unsubscribed or not getting their notifications. As always, I love hearing from you, so do leave me a comment. Before I forget, let me know by leaving a comment if you would like me to do a travel log on Croatia. It's an amazingly beautiful country, and in Croatia, during the entire trip, everywhere we went, we could go to any restaurant and get a perfectly keto meal without sacrificing anything. And we also did a lot of cooking for ourselves, so I can also show you how we self-catered. So leave a comment and your thoughts on a travel log. The macronutrient ratio for this green apple ice cream is 9.5 to 1, with 2.5 grams of total carbs, 0.2 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in 2.3 grams of net carbs per serving. Now to get started. With this recipe, the first thing you have to do is make the rich, creamy custard base. And as always, all the ingredients and quantities are shown as I make the recipe, so please watch the video. To each and every one, thank you very much for supporting my channel and taking the time to watch the video. By watching my videos, you let me know that you want me to make more videos. Quite frankly, it helps me to stay motivated and wanting to make more videos. So I hope you come back when I make my next one. I hope you have a wonderful day and all my best to you. Cheers!